Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to build a stunning custom website with zero code? In this video, I will show you how to create a professional website step by step using Webflow, perfect for beginners. Now, let's talk about what is Webflow. Webflow is a no-code website builder that gives you full control over design, layout, and animation just like a front-end developer but without writing code. Start by signing up at webflow.com. Click Get Started, it's free. Now enter your working email or sign up with your Google account. Or you have already an account, just click login, enter your email address and password, and click continue. You can create business websites, portfolios, landing pages, and more, all visually. Now, once you are in, click New Site and choose one option from here like Template, Blank Site, or AI Site Builder. Choose a blank canvas or start from a template. In this video, we will start from scratch to help you learn the basics. Just click on Blank Site, give it a name, and that's it. Once the editor loads, you will see three key areas. Canvas at center, your design area navigator at the left side, structure and element, pages, navigator, etc. Style panel, right side, for styling elements like text, color, and spacing. Let's build a basic hero section, the top part of your website. Add a section, then drag a section to canvas. Just click plus icon and drag it to here. Then add a container inside the section. Add a container to keep your content center. Just look like that. Add text and a button. Now add a heading, a paragraph, and a button inside the container. Just click plus icon, select text, and edit the text from here. Now style it. Add, click the heading and go to style panel to adjust font size from here. Or now use button to set your call to action color and hover effect. Scroll down and select color from here. Double click on it, then choose color. Change the text color from here. and resize the color. Resize the text from here, alignment, then go to settings or integration. Now you can add image. To add an image, just drag an image block into the section, click plus icon and find the image and drag it to here. Now click replace image, drop, then click drop file here. Just drop and drag and drop from your computer like that, and now drag it to your canvas. You can resize the image like height, weight, etc. You can set a background image to the section itself using the style panels, background settings. Add an overlay color for better text readability. Now let's make it mobile friendly. Webflow automatically adjusts your design, but you can tweak it for different devices. Click the different icons at the top and edit styles for tablet, mobile, landscape, and portrait. For example, reduce font size or stack elements vertically. Repeat the process to add more sections like about, services, or contact. Use div blocks to group elements and grid for flexbox for layout. To keep things clean, name your section and classes so you can reuse styles later. Ready to go live? Just click publish in the top right. Your site is now live on a webflow.io domain. You can connect a custom domain and even enable CMS features if you plan to blog or manage content easily. And that's how you build a custom professional website in Webflow. No code, just creativity. Want more Webflow tutorials? Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.